I think it was about time to do the alternator belt on the Pontiac Vibe 2009 1.8. Get the new belt put on there. This little tab makes it a little bit hard if you got bigger hands and wrists. Just loosen off this little bolt here, 12mm. Another one right under here, 12mm. This is a 12mm here, that's the adjuster. And down here is a 14. That's the pivot point on the alternator, so you gotta loosen that up just a touch to to allow it to rock back and forth. I'm just doing this basically in reverse. I've already put the new belt on and so on. This camera doesn't have a pause, so anyway, just basically once you get the belt fished on, it's a little bit of a pain. You just tighten this out and snug everything up. Once the belt's got the right tension, you're all set to go. It's easy, it's like 10 minutes.